Oh, Mr. Shearman, hello. Welcome to Mutual Life. I've heard you have a couple of questions about your father's policy.
Are you going to help me get to the bottom of this?
Come on in and take a seat. No problem. We'll get right to that. Let's see here. Do you have an ID on you?
I won't waste my time sitting. I didn't bring my ID because I didn't realize I was coming into a police state.
It's just something that we do to we do it to protect the identity of our policyholders.
He has a name, you know. It's Dad.
Right.
Randy Shearman, number 1.
No. But we can probably just do something on last name if we can do that. Jesus Christ! You're gonna give me a heart attack, and I'm not even on my 3rd cup of Joe this morning. Am I right? I'm right.
Stop projecting your heart disease on me, Nostradamus. You don't have the proper credentials to diagnose me. You see, a new diet has given me a new lease on life. I'm celebrating my recent weight loss by reinvesting my father's death money.
Congratulations on the weight loss. I'm thinking about picking up a little running myself. Get in shape a little bit, trim up.
I only ate what I could catch, like a caveman or an agile predator. Squirrels. I only ate squirrels. It's a lean meat.
Tell me about it.
You really need to work on your impulse control.
Tell you what, I've been trying those Weight Watchers meals, nuking those, and squirrel already sounds like a better alternative.
Unlike those squirrels, death doesn't concern me. Survival of the fittest. You know, like science. Now, do you need my PIN number or something? It's 0690.
Easy there, Chief. I'm here to help. Listen, it's great about your weight loss and all, but that has nothing to do with your father's policy.
Not true, Mr. Insurance Man. Dr. Adams said heart disease was hereditary. You ever heard of that word, Mr. Insurance Man?
I'm not really sure who this Dr. Adams is, but your understanding and your model for heart disease is flawed. Terribly flawed. Are you okay, son?
Now, fat voyeurism is probably how you ruined your heart. You love your wife with that same heart?
Excuse me?
I'm sorry, that was uncalled for. I shouldn't have assumed that a person like yourself could find a woman that would love him.
Wait, what?
Here, I'll write my PIN down for you. Oh, 69. Oh, it looks like a 69 sandwich.
Mr. Shearman, our policies are not bank accounts. We are Mutual of Life, not Mutual of Omaha.
Nope, thank you. I'm not interested in mail order steaks. Like I was saying, I only eat what I can hunt. Alright, and a cow is much too big of an undertaking right now.
You're thinking of Omaha steaks, and I think that by definition makes it not a caveman.
No, I'm in a cutting phase.
Okay, this is how the rest of this is going to work. I'm going to send you out front, and someone's going to hand you some brochures to help you set stuff up on your own. Somebody with much more patience than I do. And you can reflect on that while you go home and eat your gross, diseased street meat. It's street meat, and it's gross, and I don't think you can catch any squirrels.
Stop trying to brainwash me, fatty. You corporations are all the same.
What is the easiest way to contact you? I'll have someone from our office get a hold of you, someone with substantially more patience than... Damn it!
I know where this is going.
This is weird. This is Did someone send you here? Do you have just enough information to not sound like a maniac? This is gross. That's my coffee cup.
You know, I wasn't meant to live my father's life. I got a vasectomy after my best friend's bar mitzvah. You know, it really put things in perspective for me.
This is not a real thing that happens to people in society.
Listen, I don't need your anti-Semitism, Mr. Insurance Man.
Mr. Shearman, please take these brochures. Just take these brochures and leave. Leave before anyone else can hear this conversation.
Are you Jewish?
No, I'm not, but I am equally offended.
Well, neither am I. My best friend's mitzvah changed my life. You ever seen a boy become a man?
Mr. Shearman, here's an exact copy of your father's policy. Anything you could want to know about your father's policy is in here. And if you'd like to set up a similar policy, that would be terrific. Just call up front. We've got Cheryl the Monkeys. She's dynamite. She can take care of you. Anybody can take care of you except for me. I just do not have the patience.
You know, teenage pregnancy is never expected. Can ruin a man's life. Crush my father's dreams of playing for the Mets. And now, in the name of the Father, can I get that $723?
Mr. Shearman, that is not possible. As I said, this is a copy of your father's policy. But I don't think you understand, that's not what insurance is. Okay? Your father pays premiums. Insurance premiums, which are used to therefore fund everything that he needs, everything that he'll need in the untimely event of his passing, to make sure that his beneficiaries are taken care of. That's what insurance is. I don't think you understand the problem here, right? It's not that you can just come in and get money. You can't do that. This is insurance. That's your father's money, not yours.
He sure isn't paying a premium on service.
That's not what your father's premium is.
Look, I'd rather you not take sides in private family matters.
Take sides? Is your father okay? Is your father well? Do you need us to contact someone?
Well, only emotionally. But I'll tell you, his favorite son has recently lost a lot of weight. And thank you for noticing, by the way.
I don't need this. You are abusing my mental stability.
Abusing? Relax, man. I don't need you threatening my family with physical abuse. You know, you may have 20 pounds on me, but I bet I could still take you.
I need to prepare for my next client.
Oh, preparing for people's deaths. Very rude.
That is literally in my worst financial interest.
Well, at least I know you're not killing them with kindness.
I am honestly considering paying you a large deal of money to just never come back here.
Hey, save your money, fatty. I don't need to get involved in your dead man's Ponzi scheme.
Please leave.
Don't I get a lollipop? My blood sugar's a little low.
Fuck you forever.